So I'm super excited about this. I've wanted this for a long time. It's gonna be a very different video for me. But I bought an ostrich egg from Floex County Ostrich Ranch in New Mexico. It is $45. It's a slightly undersized abnormal one or whatever. But I bought it and I'm going to make pancakes and an omelet. So I just got it in, but I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna do it. I want to do it tomorrow, but I'm gonna kind of wait to see when my parents are, but when mom is, dad are gonna be here. If not, then it's just gonna be me and dad, or just me. So, all right. You know, I gotta pause this. There it is. It's wrapped up in a diaper. So this is a small one, and it's still the size of a cantaloupe. Got a little. I think that's just a pencil mark. So this is going in the refrigerator for now. Trying to think of the best way to put it in the refrigerator so nothing rolls up. Won't put it in a Tupperware bottle. So I'll keep you posted. Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Cracking an ostrich egg. What does it look like I'm doing?
Messing with a cantaloupe. That worked better than.
Turn that water on.
A lot better than a hacksaw.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Bert. Hey, if you had enough eggshell, you could use it as gravel.
Actually, you feed the eggshells back to your birds.
Makes them stronger.
Maintains their calcium. Even chickens.
Yeah. There it is, 24 chicken eggs and 1 egg. I think it needs to be a bit bigger.
No, once that monster ass yolk breaks, there we go. Stop it, dude.
What are you doing, Dad?
We're getting a chorizo toasted up here in this skillet, and gonna get ready to throw some peppers down on it once we get a little oil on the skillet. We'll give that a minute to make some grease, and then we're gonna throw these peppers on there. We're gonna toast the peppers and the chorizo, and then we'll be ready for the egg.
The ostrich egg.
Yes. All right.
Dad just put the chilies pepper in there after dropping a little butter in there.
We got the juice in there now.
Yeah.
Bottom of the skillet's coated, everything's sizzling good. Didn't get some of these chopped good, but they'll chop up. Now it's getting fragrant. Now you can smell it. And that Spanish chorizo start to get brown, it'll be just a little explosion of flavor in every bite on this thing.
Just started doing our pancakes.
Yeah.
Just a simple HEB pancake mixed with ostrich egg. So right now it's on the Blackstone. So, all right. We got our ostrich frittata omelet. Got our ostrich pancakes. And our pig bacon. What do y'all think of the ostrich egg, Dad?
Ostrich egg is the bomb.
What would you have done different though? Because this is our frittata.
Yeah. I would probably divide the ostrich egg into thirds and cook it in either in 3 different skillets, or cook it and flip it and cook it, and that way. So a little big, even in this monster skillet, you end up with a crust, which is still good, but it's,
Excuse me.
all in all, A+.
Awesome. By the way, that was a small ostrich egg.
Right,
Yeah,
I believe it.
that was a small deformed ostrich egg
right.
for $45.
Did it say that in the ad?
Yeah, that's the actual designation. A regular size one is $55. The larges are like 65.
So I guess they have a grading system, just that they do large, extra large, and all of that.
So what did you think, Mama? Not just the
liked it.
frittata, the pancakes.
I like the frittata best.
Yeah.
The pancakes were good too. But definitely like the frittata best.
The ostrich egg really made the pancake batter
Stiffer. Not stiffer.
The whole-
different, more substantial, without it being thick or brittle, or you know,
Yeah.
we all know it's still fluffy, but it wasn't. It held together much better.
Yes. One of the things I hate about pancakes is they fall apart.
They do. They do. This one didn't.
So next ostrich egg, waffles.
Hey, that might be interesting, especially with the Belgian waffles.
Because we do have a
Because
good
of that
waffle.
I'm
structural
thinking a
integrity.
9-pound smoked Scotch egg.
Oh,
What's a
Scotch
scotched egg?
egg.
Scotch egg is a soft-boiled egg surrounded with sausage
Uh-huh.
and then wrapped in bacon, and then either smoked, grilled, or baked. And that one would be about that big.
Of course, knowing your dad, it's going to be grilled, right?
We might actually smoke that. I just got to figure out how to soft boil an ostrich egg.
Yeah. So, we're all on board with the ostrich egg.
Yes.
It was a good idea.
Yes. Yay, Logan. Good choice.
So, all right. Until next